Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the DNS cache in Google Chrome. Clearing the DNS cache can help fix website loading issues and refresh how Chrome connects to websites. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Click the address bar at the top and type chrome://net-internals//DNS. Then press enter. Step 3. You'll now see Chrome's DNS settings page. Click the button that says clear host cache. Step 4. For a more complete refresh, type chrome://net-internals//sockets. I'm just going to replace DNS with sockets. Step 5. Click Flush Socket Pools to reset Chrome's network connections. And that's how you clear the DNS cache in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.